Hi, I'm Carmel Debadine. I believe food shouldn't just taste good, but it should look awesome as well. Join me as I bring my kitchen to yours. This is the DB Kitchen. Welcome to the DB Kitchen. We're going to make some roast dinner side dishes today. We're going to make some smashed potatoes because that's always a crowd pleaser. We're going to go with some minted peas and also a lemon curd vinaigrette, which is just super delicious. We've got some fish sauce in our lemon curd, so we get a really nice umami flavour so it doesn't get too sweet and just complement everything. I've got some Yukon Gold potatoes here and they're pre-cooked, and then we're just going to smash them. You don't need them to be pretty. The beauty of this dish is that it comes together in minutes. Then all we're going to do is wipe them down with a little bit of a herb butter, and we're going to fry them on both sides, get them nice and sizzled. Gently warm through some oil, place your potatoes, butter side up. Once they get nice and golden on the bottom, we're going to flip them over and let the butter finish off the cooking. Once your potatoes are cooked, add a little bit more oil to the pan, fry your shallots and garlic. After your thyme, we're going to add in the peas. Now I like to leave my thyme whole, just so that it's easier to pick out at the end. Just going to add the little leftover butter and some parsley. Lastly, we want to throw in a little whole grain mustard as well. Quickly remove your thyme leaves and just very lightly give all the peas a little smush. We're going to make a vinaigrette now very quickly. All that needs is some fresh herbs, some olive oil, some salt and pepper. To jazz mine up a little bit, I've got a bit of lemon curd lying around, so I'm going to use that as well. And then all we're going to do is literally blitz it all together very quickly with a spoon and leave it aside to brew down nicely. Before we serve up, we're just going to add a beautiful aromatic bit of fresh mint. For the full recipe, please go to my website, thedbkitchen.com, and check out our Instagram page @thedbkitchen.